Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a very important day because we're gonna do my driver's license test today, guys. So let's do this. Keep on watching. Okay guys, I'm ready now. We're gonna go inside first to, I don't know, let them know that I'm here for the road test and stuff. And then I think we'll come back out here. Okay, so let's go. Oh my god, guys, look, the line is so long. We didn't know it's gonna be like this. Hopefully we can still be able to do this though today, because I don't want to come another day. Okay guys, so right now I don't know what to say, but I did my driver's license test, the road test, the final step. And okay guys, so yeah, long story short, I went there and then I actually had to like rescan all my documents because when I did my knowledge and my vision test, it's been past 30 days. So guys, if you guys did your knowledge and vision test, hurry up and do your road test, because otherwise I have to like rescan everything. So they have to rescan all my documents and I had to take another picture and everything. I had to redo my vision test. I didn't get to redo my knowledge test, which thank God. And then the lady was really nice though. She was like literally the first person that I have ever met in the United States that knows where Timor is, and she's from Indonesia. So like the whole time we were speaking in Indonesia and I felt like I was in Bali or Jakarta. So I thought it was cool. I finally have someone that I could relate in terms of like, you know, knowing where I'm from. So that was cool. Yeah, so then after everything, if you guys are interested on like what documents I brought for my driver's license test, you can comment down below and I'll respond to you in regard to that. But there are certain documents you have to bring as like immigrant in the United States, so ask me any questions that you want. So yeah, after that basically they scanned everything and they asked me to like went back and sit down to wait, and it was already like 4 p.m. so I was like, am I gonna be able to do my road test? Are they gonna make me do another knowledge test? Because there was no information after like scanning and my vision test, because I did my vision test, so I thought I was gonna do my knowledge test too. So I was a little worried. I was like, I don't want to do the knowledge test again because I already passed. I want to do the road test. And then like we sat down and like I don't know, like 15 minutes later, something like that, my instructor literally like came up and called out my name saying Juliana. So I was like, oh my god, that's me. So I told Sergio like, come on babe, let's go. And then I thought she was gonna like check my information and everything with me before we do the test. So I asked Sergio to come along with me, and then she's like, okay, I'll walk out that door, we're gonna do your test now. And I was like, okay, I guess I am wrong. So Sergio, you can go back. So yeah, I told Sergio to, he went back into the room instead of waiting for me outside. And then when I got into the car, she told me to turn around because my car was reverse parked and I had to like park the other way around so that I can back up when I got out. Like she wanted to see me that, I guess. So I went into the car and I put all my bag inside the car, and then I come on the driver's seat and I was trying to turn on the car and I couldn't find the freaking turn on button. Can you keep, oh my god. I almost failed right there, like literally right there. I was like, I'm failing like literally now. I don't even know how to turn on the car because this car, I don't use this car to actually practice my driving. So I don't really get used to this car. I use Sergio's car, but this one is his mom's car. So I was like, where is the turn on button? So I literally turn on like this. I'll show you. I turn this on, which is, this is not the one. It's like, where is it? And then my instructor was like, ma'am, come on. And I was like, oh, what do I say? Do I call Sergio? Like, where is the freaking turn on button? And then I keep looking for it. I was like, is it because I'm so nervous that it's right here but I can't see it? Ah! So basically I looked around and like, I didn't see it, and look, it's all the way here. This is why I can't see it. Jesus Christ. And then she literally came to me like, what happened, ma'am? And I was like, I'm looking for the on button, I'm not finding it. And then like she was I don't know what she thought about that, but like in my head I was like, I'm failing, like I failed, I already failed. And I looked this way and boom, I found it. I was like, oh! And then yeah, basically I turn it on, and there, like, she literally like, they find a parking and park anywhere here where it says DMV test or whatever. They have like specific sign, right? So it's like, okay, so I turn around and I parked, and I was so nervous. So I was like, oh shoot, like, am I gonna be able to like park correctly and stuff? And yeah, I guess I did. So this is what she'd asked me, like, once I have turned around and I have parked, she said, put your foot on the brake. And so I did that, and then she said, take it off, and then said, turn on your left blinker, right blinker, and then emergency on, and then turn it off. And then she went back behind and said, turn on the left blinker, right blinker again, and then emergency again. And it's like, okay, so I did that, and she come inside this seat, because right now I'm in the passenger seat, right? Yeah, so she come in this seat, and then she has like this document, whatever, that she's gonna make notes. And I was like just looking at her and already nervous, because I already messed up a lot of things. So it's like, oh my god, this lady is gonna be like, I don't know, she's still not in her mood right now, because I basically messed up everything. But I was just keeping positive and everything, so that I don't do any more mistakes for the actual road test. So she's like, okay, she told me all the instruction and everything, and I was like, okay, cool. So luckily the road that we went on to do the test, I already went on that practicing, like coincidentally with Sergio. So I wasn't like nervous or anything like that. I was just keeping my eye on the speed limit, so that I don't go above or too low and stuff like that. So yeah, so that's what I did. And so we went into, so like, from in terms of speed limit, there was like 45, 50, 30-ish, and then 25, and back to like 45, and then back to DMV. And yeah, when we got there, like, she didn't tell me if I passed or not. I was like, oh my god, I failed. For sure I failed. And she said, please follow me and let's go inside. Like, that's all she said. And then we went inside. She was nice, but her personality is, she's like a serious person, so I'm not really used to like serious person. I got scared and intimidated and all that. So especially like if he or she is giving me the test. So I was like pretty nervous, and I want to find Sergio so I can feel a little comfortable. But she was like, come over here. So I went over her, and then she said, she finally told me the good news. She said, you pass.
And I was like, yes. Oh my god.
And I was like, yes. Oh my god. And then I felt so relieved right after that word. And she said, you pass, but you have got to work on certain things. So she said that I need to like brake smoothly, I need to keep up with the speed. Yeah, but you pass, and you'll get your driver's license in, I think she said in 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks or something like that. I can't remember. But I'm like, I don't care when, as long as I pass. Yeah, so, and then after, so that's the story, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for all of your support. If you guys have any questions about the process and everything, how you can prepare yourself to do the vision knowledge test and then the road test eventually, let me know, comment down below. Once again, thanks so much, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.